तिकडे तिकडे नको, जास्त नको पुढे, इकडे. ये आतमध्ये.
I am a mompreneur. Let me tell you about my journey as an entrepreneur and as a mom, because both goes hand in hand. This all started with the birth of my child, my son Neo, and raising him. So it is a very interesting journey. A lot of women think that after the birth of their child, their boundaries in fact gets restricted. But let me tell you, it is all about broadening your horizons. I really feel that your creative enzymes are very high when you give birth to a child, because you are actually in the making of a new being. So your creative enzymes are extremely high at that time. And the maternity period that you get, that's the me time that you get, and you can spend a lot of time deciding what you actually want from yourself. So this all started with the first wrap that I got for Neo, my son.
Good.
A wrap is something which you actually tie your child, or you hold your child very close. It's a very important milestone of attachment parenting. It also makes your hands free, makes you feel you can do your tasks and hold your child close. So I was desperately in need of this wrap, and as I was raising Neo, right from bamboo toothbrushes to reusable straws. So everything you say that your need is basically the cause of invention. I would rather say discovery, not an invention, because things were existing. All that we had to do is get these resources in our life and help others as well to benefit from it.
People are actually forgetting how we used to live and how our impact was so less on the environment as compared to today. And that came into my picture when I got a kid. Basically, we travel a lot. So we go here and there. So after Neo was born, when we start going out, we actually realized that every beach, every mountain, every hill that where we have gone, there has been so much of plastic dumped into it. It stuck to us, like how much plastic that is getting into the environment, how we are actually destroying the environment. So then we actually started working for it. As a parent, we wanted our kid to have a lifestyle, or let's say, or a childhood that we had. We have seen like outside world. So nowadays, most of the time, kids are on phone, the parents are on phone, kids are on gadgets, TV. So the outside time with the nature, it has become very reduced.
Rightly, he sees his microcredit program as a mean of emerging empowering women. Muslim, it fit neatly with her program to reform Islam. She argues for revitalizing Muslim economies by utilizing the talents of women. Why should Muslim nation handicap themselves by neglecting the potential contribution of half of their population. She wants women to be entrepreneurs, to own television station, to control wealth. To this end, the Grameen model can be enormous assistant.
वो तुम ट्रेन में भैंस के साथ कैसे ट्रैवल करेगा?
ट्रैवल होता है
किधर बैठेगा भैंस?
लंबा सीट में, वो लंबा है, वो उसके लिए लंबा सीट है।
अच्छा, वो लंबा है बोल के लंबा सीट है? वो तो सब ह्यूमन बीइंग बैठता है ना वो सीट पे।
एक मिनट लेके आते।
कौन है भैंस?
बफेलो
कौन है तुम्हारा? कौन है वो?
फ्रेंड, मैं भी उसका फ्रेंड है।
अच्छा, उसका नाम क्या है?
और पिज्जा रेस।
पिजरस?
हाँ,
कहाँ से आया वो?
अरे घर पे था।
With Neo, what we thought is that media is not going to give him anything which he is required. And what we saw that, okay, if the phone is given, your contact with nature is done. So what we did is that in our house, any which way, TV, now it's around 6.5 years. We have a TV, it's just lying there. So it's 6.5 years we don't have any access to TV. We don't listen to radio. We use laptop because that is related to our work. So primarily when we are with Neo, we don't use laptop. We restrict ourselves using phone when we all are with our child, so that we don't give him attention in breaks. So when we are with him, so let's say you spend a quality time together, and then you go out and you do your work. So and it is very clear with us and Neo as well that okay, now we're gonna play, and if there is a work which gonna happen, so listen, I need to go to work. So that communication is very clear.
Now she lives cycling.
दबा। वाओ, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पहुंचेगा जा। टेक हिम टू ग्राउंड फ्लोर। वेरी गुड।
एक छोटा बीज सो रहा था, एक दिन सूरज आया, कहा बहुत सोइए, अब तो जागो भैया, सवेरा हो गई, बिजली अंगड़ाई, ओ वो जग गया, बढ़ते 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 वो पेड़ बन गया।
You will see him more climbing trees or being on the roads rather than spending time on gadgets. So while I was raising him, naturally I really faced a challenge. I really faced a challenge of the world which was so cosmetic around him, especially the presence of plastic in life. I've tried to keep away as much plastic as I can from my son's life.
इधर सब रेड।
Yes.
अब थाम आ गया। अरे थाम यार, लगा था बस।
Oh, super.
So he does farming, and he's a very outdoor kid. So he does cycling. All those small game that we used to play, he does that. So what we try to do is that okay, maybe the technological stuff will introduce on a very later stage when it will be required. Right now it's time for him to grow and align with nature, because aligning with nature is very, very important, which we are getting away nowadays.
पर माउंटेन থেকে নামবে একদম স্পিডে। ওটা তোকে ম্যানেজ করতে হবে। এখন উপরে চড়ার পরে যখন ছাড়বি, এই দেখ জুম করে নেমে যাবে গাড়ি। এই দেখ, হ্যাঁ এটা তোকে ম্যানেজ করতে হবে, তাই না? আমরা মানুষ, আমরা সব জায়গায় ঘর বানাই। ঠিক আছে।
অনেক ভালো লাগে, তো যেদিকে ভালো লাগে না
আয় না
এত অনেক দম লাগছে দেওয়ানতে সাইকেলটা মাউন্টেন বাইকিং নয় না
হুম
তো ওর সাইকেল চড়বে
হুম
Give him an environment where he can ask question and where he can have an opinion. That is very, very important. Because nowadays child doesn't have an opinion. Our child has everything, he has an opinion. He asks, okay, why it's gonna happen, why if it's doing this. So that is very important. When Neo goes to somebody's house, because like there are certain things that are mandatory with Neo. Kids will when they are taking Neo to their house, they will tell their parent, don't put TV. He doesn't eat this. Like we don't give him junk food. Okay. So now if Neo is going to somebody else's house, so they cannot have junk food. So they will tell that, okay, let's have this, dry fruits, make something, homemade stuff. If in our house somebody gets a plastic, he will tell you why you got the plastic home. He will if you eating junk, he will come and he will tell you that, okay, don't eat this. This will happen to your stomach. This will happen to your stomach. So it's like automatically like now that he's a 35-year-old guy. Now when he is with Neo, he doesn't eat junk. So like he knows that, okay, with Neo is like that, okay, he will come and tell you. In his school he will tell that, okay, don't do this. Don't do waste. Don't do this. So when a small kid also tells, it's all of a sudden it's become like you get like, oh, I should not do this. So it has helped. It has helped to change. He has changed his friends. People. It's a change itself when people take care of themselves in his presence. So at least in his presence, people don't do this. People don't do that. So they take care of those points that is according to Neo's perspective, or I would say according to the environment Neo is. So that's been a change. The current environment, my current situation, it was very difficult, but we have kept our stand, because as a kid, if you have to get into the group, right? Group dynamics is very important. Acceptance is very important, because if you're not accepted, friendship doesn't happen. People don't like you. People means so it's become very difficult. So but he kept his individuality, we helped him, we kept our stand. It was difficult, but now it's been sorted out.
And I think this will be a happy beginning. Look at him. I am really, really grateful to all of you, and even Neo is grateful to all of you. And this one you see is so naughty, so naughty, so naughty, so naughty, so naughty.
मैं भी अपने मम्मी के बगैर नहीं रह सकता, तो अवनी के भी बच्चे अवनी के बगैर नहीं रह सकता। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अवनी के बच्चों को बचाओ और अवनी के बच्चों को खाना दो। मैं गवर्नमेंट को बोल रहा हूँ कि अवनी के बच्चों को बड़े जंगल में छोड़ो।